Habitat and adaptation. The surroundings where organisms live is called habitat. Habitat means a dwelling place, a home. Several kinds of plants and animals may share the same habitat. In the sea, plants and animals are surrounded by saline, salty water. Most of them use the air dissolved in water. There is very little water available in the desert. It is very hot in the daytime and very cold at night in the desert. The animals and plants of the desert live on the desert soil and breathe air from the surroundings. The presence of specific features or certain habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in its surroundings is called adaptation. Factors of habitat. The living things such as plants and animals in a habitat are its biotic factors. Various non-living things such as rocks, soil, air and water in the habitat constitute its abiotic factors. Sunlight and heat also form the abiotic components of the habitat. Abiotic factors like air, water, light and heat are very important for growth of plants. Adaptation does not take place in a short time. Over thousands of years, the abiotic factors of a region change. Those animals which cannot adapt to these changes die out and only the adapted ones survive.